going on, everybody? Jordan here. I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on a small batch beard company based in New York called Gungnir Grooming Co. Let's get started. Alrighty, so shout out to Chris, the owner of Gungnir Grooming, for sending out an oil and butter for me to test and review. I also do have an unboxing that I did on these products, and I'll link that down below, as well as my episode of Monday Night Truth that I did recently with Chris. And then use my non-affiliate code TheTruth10 to save 10%, or use code HORD15 to save 15% on orders of $35 USD or more. So if you're doing an oil and a butter, for example, that would push you up past 35. Yeah, let's get started with this video. Alright, so in this video I'll be covering some company info, products available, scents available, as well as my thoughts on these products, and then a final conclusion and verdict. I definitely do recommend these products off the top, and let's get into some reasons why. Alrighty, so Gungnir Grooming is based in New York, and the owner is Chris Shelton, and it's a Viking Norse themed small batch beard company with handmade beard products, beard oil and butter as of right now, but Chris does have plans to expand into other products, hence the name Gungnir Grooming instead of just Gungnir Beard Co. So stay tuned for more things throughout this year. Next, let's talk about the products available. Alrighty, so as of right now, Gungnir Grooming sells 1 ounce beard oil for $17 US, as well as a 2 ounce beard butter for $20 US. Like I said before, they will be expanding into more products in the coming future. So watch out for that. Follow them on Instagram. I'll have that link down below. And then next, let's cover the scents available. Alrighty, so the scents available from Gungnir Grooming include Fafnir's Blood, which is apple, spice, and vanilla. And they have an unscented, which I'm not going to try to pronounce because it's pretty crazy Old Norse word, but I'll pop it up on the screen. And then they have Mimir's Whisper, which is sweet tobacco, clove, and amber. And then the Wanderer, which is the one that I have, is forest pine, cedarwood, and campfire. And then the newest one is Uller's Glory, which is winter mint and vanilla. Next, let's talk about my thoughts on Gungnir Grooming Beard Co. Alrighty, so starting off with the beard oil. The oil is medium viscosity, which is nice. Nice golden color to it as well, with amber dropper tops, which worked fairly well. And then the oil absorbed pretty quickly and left my beard feeling nice and soft. And it's a simple but high quality carrier oil blend, which we'll talk about. And then scent duration was around 7 to 10 hours for during my testing, and then really solid beard oil overall. And the ingredients on the beard butter are shea butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, hemp seed oil, and castor oil, as well as fragrance for scent. So shea butter plus the normal carrier oil blend. Yeah, really soft beard butter overall. Not much hold to it, but it's a beard butter, so it's not really meant for that. I definitely enjoyed this beard butter for sure. Yeah, let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, so to wrap up this video, Gungnir Grooming Beard Co.'s oil and butter had really great feeling beard, awesome labels, simple but effective carrier oil blend and ingredients. And the like I said, the oil and butter both made my beard feel pretty soft. And the Wanderer is definitely an early contender for my top scents of 2022. It's a woodsy, kind of smoky scent, like I said. Really awesome. Kind of reminds me of Christmas a little bit. Yeah, so it reminds me of Christmas because of the forest pine. Yeah, Chris is a great dude. I've known him for close to 2 years. Really, and it's definitely clear that he's put in the work to make some excellent small batch beard products. Definitely recommend that you guys check out Gungnir Grooming if you haven't already. And then if you do, use my non-affiliate code TheTruth10 to save 10%, or use HORD15 to save 15% on orders over $35. And check out Gungnir Grooming's website and Instagram, linked down below in the description. And subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to get to 400 subscribers, so help me out with that. By the time this review comes out, I may already be there, so we'll see. But as of the time of recording, I'm not there quite yet. And yeah, let me know if you tried Gungnir Grooming or if you plan to. I definitely recommend them. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back with more soon. Peace.